What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're doing something special. Skyrover just dropped 2 mini drones, and the question everyone's asking is, which one should you actually buy? Now, let's get into it. On my left, we have the Skyrover S1. This is an entry-level drone designed for beginners and casual creators. And on my right, we have the Skyrover X1. This is a flagship advanced mini drone packed with pro-level features. Okay, so both are under 249 grams and both shoots 4K video, both have intelligent features, but here's the thing. They're designed for completely different users, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you.
Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology.
Alright, let's start with the unboxing experience. I got the combo versions of both drones, so we're getting the full package here. Starting with the S1. It has a nice clean packaging and everything is well organized. First impressions, this feels high quality. You're getting the drone, controller, 3 batteries, extra props, and cables. And let's not forget the carrying case. Alright guys, now starting with the S1. It has a nice clean packaging and everything is well organized. So first impressions. This feels very high quality. You're getting the drone, you're getting the controller, you get the battery, 3 batteries actually, a charging hub, and extra props, cables, and a carrying bag. Now, the X1 steps it up with a larger 101 32-inch CMOS sensor, also with a 3-axis gimbal. It shoots the same 4K at 60 FPS, but adds HDR video recording and also captures 48 megapixel photos. Bigger sensor means better low light performance and more dynamic range. Now, here we have all the sensors. Here's a big difference. The S1 has 1/2 inch CMOS sensor with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal right there. It shoots 4K at 60 FPS and 8K photos at 48 megapixels. For an entry-level drone, these are seriously impressive specs. Now, the X1. The X1 sets it up with a larger 101 32-inch CMOS sensor. So you have that all right here and right here. It shoots the same 4K at 60 FPS but adds HDR video recording and also captures 48 megapixel photos. Bigger sensors means better low light performance and more dynamic range. Now, let's get into the sensors. Here's a big difference. Obstacle avoidance. The S1 has forward obstacle avoidance plus downward vision sensing. That's great for beginners because you got frontal protection and stable hovering. Okay, you see that? Now, the X1, a full 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Right there, front, back, left, right, bottom, 6 directions of protection. This is flagship-level safety that lets you fly confidently in complex environments. Now, let's talk about weight. Weight-wise, both are under 249 grams. The S1 is around 245 grams. The X1 is 248 grams. Both are regulation friendly and don't require registration in most countries. Now, so visually, the X1 looks more advanced because it is more advanced. More sensors, larger camera housing, more refined design. But the S1 doesn't look cheap. It looks like a quality product at a smart price point. Okay, this is a moment of truth. Image quality. Because specs are one thing, but what actually matters is what your footage looks like. Here's The same landscape shot on both drones. Both looks great, right? The S1 delivers clean, sharp 4K footage with good colors and detail. But look closer at the X1 footages. Notice the slightly richer colors, the better shadow detail, the larger sensor is doing work. It's not a massive difference in perfect lighting, but it's there. Now, let's check golden hour. This is where sensor size starts to matter more. Both look beautiful, but the X1 is handling the challenging light even better. See how it's preserving highlights in the sky while keeping detail in the shadows? Now let's get into HDR comparison, starting with the X1. And here's the X1's secret weapon, HDR video. This is a feature that the S1 does not have. Look at the shot facing into the sun. With HDR on, the X1 is capturing incredible dynamic range. You're getting detail in both the bright sky and dark foreground. Here's my take. For daytime social media content, travel videos, casual shooting, the S1's imaging quality is more than enough. You'll be happy with it, but if you're shooting professionally, need that extra dynamic range, or frequently shoot in challenging lighting, the X1 justifies the upgrade. Let's talk about photo comparison. Both shoots high-resolution photos, 8K to 48 megapixels on the S1 and 48 megapixels on the X1. The S1's 8K photo capability is actually a standout feature at its price point. But again, the X1's larger sensor gives you better overall image quality, especially when you zoom into the details. Let's talk content creation features, because both of these drones are built for modern creators. Both the S1 and X1 can shoot true 2.7K vertical videos. This isn't crop. It's native vertical recording, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. The physical gimbal rotation on both is smooth and reliable. You literally watch the camera rotate 90 degrees in the app. Now let's talk about AI night mode, X1. One difference, the X1's AI night mode is more advanced when shooting vertical content at dusk or nighttime. The X1 gives you noticeably better results. Watch these shots. Asteroids pull back and up while spinning. Orbit circles around you. Rocket straight up reveal. These are professional looking shots that require zero piloting skills. The drones do everything automatically. For creators, both drones deliver. The S1 gets you 90% there for social media content. The X1 gives you that extra 10% polish and flexibility. All right, decision time. After testing both extensively, here's exactly who should buy which one. Starting with the S1. Buy the Skyrover S1 if you're a complete beginner who's never flown a drone before. The S1 is designed for you. For obstacle sensing, protects you from most common crashes. Flight controls are forgiving, and the app is intuitive. You're a casual creator making content for social media. The S1 is 4K 60 frames per second. 8K photos and vertical video mode gives you everything you need for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. You want maximum flight time? 40 minutes per battery beats almost everything in this class, and 120 minutes total with 3 batteries is incredible. Budget matters to you. The S1 delivers flagship quality features at an entry-level price. You're getting 90% of the X1's capabilities for significantly less money. You're buying your first drone and want to learn without breaking the bank? This is the smartest entry point right here. Now, the X1. Buy the Skyrover X1 if you're an experienced drone pilot or serious content creator. The X1's advanced features, better sensor, and HDR video gives you professional-grade results. You need 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, or if you're flying in complex environments like forests, urban streets, urban areas, tight spaces, that full coverage is essential and worth the investment. Image quality is your top priority with this. The larger 1:1 32-inch sensor, HDR capability, and AI night mode produce noticeably better footage, especially in challenging lighting. You're upgrading from beginner drone. The X1 is the logical next step that doesn't force you to jump to a massive price increase. You want flagship features without flagship pricing. Compared to DJI Mini 4 Pro or similar competitors, the X1 delivers comparable specs at better value. Here's the thing, these aren't competing drones. They're designed for different users at different levels of skills. Skyrover isn't asking you to compromise. They're asking you to pick the right tool that fits your needs. Price-wise, the S1 typically costs significantly less than the X1. Both are incredible value in their categories, and both include that awesome replacement-only warranty. Full unit replacement if anything goes wrong, no repairs. Honestly, if you're unsure with starting with the S1, you can always upgrade to the X1 later and use the S1 as a backup or travel drone. But if you know you need those advanced features, the X1 will not disappoint. So, final verdict, Skyrover absolutely nailed this lineup. The S1 is genuinely the best entry-level drone I've ever tested. It doesn't feel like a compromise or a budget option. It feels like a complete, well-thought-out product that happens to be priced very smart. The image quality is excellent. The flight time is class-leading, and the safety features gives beginners true confidence. The X1 is a legitimate flagship competitor. That 360-degree obstacle sensing works as advertised. The image quality completes and competes with drones costing even more. And the advanced features makes it a genuine creative tool for serious work. If I'm recommending a first drone for someone, it's the S1, no questions. You get so much value, you learn properly, and you won't feel limited. If I'm recommending an upgraded or a primary drone for a professional content creator, it's the X1. The extra capabilities justify the investment, and you're getting flagship performance without flagship pricing. What impresses me most, Skyrover isn't just competing on price, they're competing on features, quality, and user experience. Both of these drones punch way above their weight class. So, which one are you going to get? Drop a comment and let me know. Are you Team S1 or Team X1? And tell me what you're planning to shoot with these next. That wraps up our complete comparison of the Skyrover S1 and X1. I hope this helped you figure out which drone is right for you. If this video was helpful, smash that like button. It really helps our channel. Subscribe if you haven't already yet, because we got more drones content, tech reviews, and comparisons coming soon. Check the description below for links to the drones, current pricing, and any discount codes we have secured for you. I'll also link the Skyrover's website where you can compare specs in detail. You got questions about either drone? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer them as many as I can. Want to see these drones in specific scenarios? Let me know what you want. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, the best drone is the one that fits for you. Fly safe, create awesome content, and I'll catch you in the next video.